In the fall of 23, I was raped by a fellow church member. I felt embarrassed. It was very shameful. And again, I was 40 plus. This should not be happening in my life. The emotional battle on the inside, the insecurities that you feel because of it. You need someone to help you walk through this.
Whether it's men or women, I tell my victims a lot of times when I talk to them at the beginning that considering what they've had go on, they are at the best possible place for what's happened to them in the entire state. In what I always thought of as the old days before we had a safe center, we as in law enforcement would get called out to the emergency room where our victim was. Our victim would have been asked multiple questions by the emergency room staff. Then we would come in and ask them basically the entire same line of questioning again. And that would, what we always refer to as re-traumatize the victim, because they're having to relive this event over and over. Now with the Safe Center, we can come in and ask all of these questions at one time instead of asking them the same questions over and over.
We are here to provide services to victims, primary victims of sexual violence, and also secondary victims. We really try and do a wraparound service for them and be there for them every step of their journey.
I came weekly for a while just so that I can talk through my feelings, learn about the emotional stages of going through such a trauma. But it was with an advocate by my side, holding my hand, wiping my tears. I had one-on-one support through the entire ordeal. I still come in for little pep talks every now and then because there are things that trigger me that I didn't know would trigger me. I'm so grateful that it's here. If it were not for the Safe Center, I never would have reported.
So it's essential that the community has access to services such as ours, because every sexual assault victim that goes without the resources they need to begin their healing journey will cost the healthcare system approximately $122,000 a year. We are so grateful to be a member of United Way. It has really felt like we've joined a family. We have these resources available to us. We're making connections.
This is a subject that has always been more or less considered taboo, and through the partnership with United Way, I believe maybe that this will be getting a little more attention.